हेलो एंड वेलकम टू फर्दर मैथमेटिक्स। इस वीडियो में हम सेकंड चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे विच इज़ रैशनल फंक्शंस ऑफ फर्दर प्योर मैथ 1। सो आई विल डू एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू रैशनल फंक्शंस इन दिस वन, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फॉर्मली चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करेंगे। So what is a rational function? It's in the name, by the way. You see we have a ratio written here. So it's a function that can be written as a ratio of two functions. So यहाँ पे देखें we have y is equal to f of x over g of x. That's a ratio of f and g. और इस तरह का function हो अगर तो हम कहते हैं कि this function is a rational function. You have seen some rational functions before. You have seen y equals 1 over x. You have seen y equals 1 over x squared. ये मैंने उनके ग्राफ्स बनाए हुए हैं, ये आपने पहले देखे हुए हैं. And you have also seen y equals tan of x. That is also a rational function because tan can be written as sine over cos. So it's a ratio of sine and cos. So all such functions, they are called rational functions. So हमारा goal क्या होगा इस chapter में? What's the goal of this chapter? What do we want to do? We want to sketch these rational functions. इनके graphs किस तरह के हैं? That's the first goal. And once we know how to sketch, उसके बाद हम उस sketch को use करेंगे to answer some questions about the graph. So इस chapter का जो past paper में question आता है हमेशा एक ही तरह का आता है. It's going to have like 4 or 5 parts. पहले 2 parts में question will be asking you to find some information about the function. फिर उसके बाद आपको कहेगा कि इसको sketch कर दें. And then it's going to ask you to use that sketch to answer some question about the graph. So हमेशा जो है वो इसका एक ही structure होता है जो भी question आता है इस chapter से. So that's the goal. And if we want to sketch a rational function, here I have a sketching checklist. Okay, so this is all the information about the graph that you need. So आप ये bits and pieces निकालेंगे, you will find this, you will find this, 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 and you have bits and pieces of information जो कि आपको बता रहा है कि ये इसका जो ग्राफ है वो किस तरह का होना चाहिए. And then you will combine all these bits and pieces to make a sketch. Okay, so in the subsequent videos we will go over each and every one of these और मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें जो है वो निकालना सिखाऊंगा. The next is kind of some terminology. एक term use होती है improper fraction या improper function इस केस में होगा, and that is a fraction which is top heavy, जिसके अंदर this f of x is larger than g of x. So in functions we define it in this way, that if the degree of f of x is larger than or equal to degree of g of x, then we say कि ये जो rational function है it is an improper function. So please note कि जो improper numbers होते हैं, improper fractions होती हैं, an improper fraction उसमें the numerator has to be greater than. लेकिन एक जो improper function है उसमें the degree can be greater than and equal to. So यहाँ पे equality जो है वो भी allowed है. So it's not a strict inequality in that sense. So that was an introduction to what rational functions are, and in the next video we will formally start the chapter.